First, I am going to remove the toppings because I don't really need these guys to fall. So I guys mixed it. Wait. I found one choicer. This is my slime, guys. Its name CS Cartoony Slime. Oh. You know, you think it's fake. Finally was lying. Using my free more flavor filled and my god, look at you. And it fall in my dress. It's not coming off.
Of course. Siguro nga.
Can we make something, guys?
Ang social program sa ginagawa mo.
No. This is exactly what I want to do. Ito pa rin yung gusto ko.
What movie are you watching, mommy?
Maybe I have to do something.
Guys, I'm done mixing now. Okay, never mind, guys. Guys, I'm wrapping this up now. So, I'm turning this to a squishy and then let's do a squish. Guys, I think I'm having I have trouble. Oh my god. This is now a squishy. I don't have tape, guys, because I finished it yesterday. That really hurts. Okay, guys, I think this is the only thing. Oh. Guys, wait. Guys, I keep hearing vibrations. Yes, I need to make this. Who wants this pack of squishy? Tell me the comments. And tell me your... Guys, this is the results. Anyways, bye, guys. Tell me the comments.